How to make $572 a day online from YouTube, using a proven and completely automated system. You are reading Tube Profit Sniper Review. Product name, Tube Profit Sniper. Author, Mike Andrews. Category, e-business and e-marketing. Subcategory, affiliate marketing. Product type, software and videos. E-risk, no, you can refund, money back guaranteed, for 60 days. Bonus and discount, yes, a package of 3 ebooks about how to make a full-time income from affiliate marketing, $167 value, for free. Click here to download Tube Profit Sniper program and the 3 ebooks package for free. Tube Profit Sniper. About how to make $572 a day online from YouTube, using a proven and completely automated system. The Tube Profit Sniper is the ultimate traffic generation and monetization system. In this short review about Mike Andrews' program, Tube Profit Sniper Review, I am going to mention some pros and cons about Tube Profit Sniper product, so just keep reading Tube Profit Sniper Review to the end. Tube Profit Sniper Pros. The Tube Profit Sniper program is a proven, completely automated system to make all the work for you to make $500 a day from YouTube as an affiliate marketer. No background in digital marketing or any special skills required. Very easy to set up. Fast results. You can make your first $500 today. No SEO, no paid ads, and no social marketing. Works with all affiliate networks. No complicated setup process, only 5 simple copy and paste steps. Easy to follow high-def video tutorials beautifully laid out. No software to install. Copy and paste done for you. Type of program inside Tube Profit Sniper. No domain names or hosting to buy. No articles or unlimited website content. Designed for anyone to use of all abilities, young, old, new, and experienced. One-time payment, lifetime access and update to the software. No website traffic to generate, everything is being made automatically. Low price ticket compared to the results you will get. Live support 7/24 plus 100% money back guaranteed. Tube Profit Sniper cons, online purchase risk, but you can refund within 60 days if it doesn't work. Although this system is proven, all the results depend on your effort and patience. Like any online course, no guaranteed results. You may do it wrong the few first tries, so be patient and try again. Please leave your review below in the comment box, to help others to know more about this product.